As devotees pushed and shoved trying to clamber up the carriage of the icon of the Black Nazarene, 44-year-old Renato Gorion, who was atop the carriage, collapsed. Gorion is a member of the Hijos del Nazareno, a group of devotees assisting the church during the Feast of the Black Nazarene. With scores of people trying to climb the carriage, it took a while before Gorion was brought down. He was rushed to the hospital, but was declared dead on arrival. Responders say Gorion may have suffered a heart attack.
Nakita mo lang yung andas kanina, nagpapahugot na siya kanina. Hindi na mapapansin dahil sa dami ng tao.
Many others needed medical attention as the procession wound through the streets of Manila, from Luneta to the Quiapo Church. A number of people fainted. Even marshals were not spared. Many also suffered cuts on their feet, especially those who walked barefoot. Even authorities had to make sure they were physically fit to man the huge crowd.
Kung hindi kayo physically fit, i-assess nyo yung sarili nyo. Maraming mga first-timers, yung first-timers malalakas ang loob eh. So yun yung medyo dapat mag-ingat.